Hello, welcome to the Unity fastest tutorials. Today we are doing random picking with weights. I have here randomizer with sprite renderer and my script, which is blank for now, and some sprites. And I will randomly choose the sprite from my randomizer, but you can do like anything. It can be a random root table or I don't know, whatever you imagine. So um, we need a class in our script that will store information uh, about our objects. So public float weight, and as I said, public sprite. So every sprite will have its own weight, and I need to make a list object list. So yeah, I want to uh, choose the sprite every time I click the mouse. So if input get key down key code dot mouse 0, so we want to choose the sprite now based on randomness and weights. So float total weight will equal to float for each var objects in object list. We want to add to the total weight object that weight, so we'll get the total weight of the objects in the list. And now the random variable equals random that value multiplied by total weight, int choose a number equals new int float add equals object list 0 that weight. And now the most important part, while random is greater than add and choose a number is less than object list that count -1, we want to increase the chosen number and add to add object list choose a number that weight. And we have our chosen number, so we only have to change the sprite component sprite renderer that sprite equals object list choose a number that sprite. And that's all, I hope so. So we want to have 4 sprites: triangle, square, diamond and circle. In your project it could be items or something that is loot from your enemies. So I want the triangle to be the most often sprite, so I will set its weight to 10, square to 5, diamond to 2 and circle to 1. So the triangle will be the most of 10. And I will make more randomizers, like 4. So we'll see better. and you see the triangles are the most often. It like I'll always 2 or 3 triangles. This time it was 4. The circle is the rarest. So let's see. We got 1 circle, but it's rare. So yeah, that's it. Bye.